It's time to prioritize your health. A healthy lifestyle makes you feel good. You have more energy. You can do the things you love. Eating right is important for a healthy life. When you eat healthy foods, your body gets the nutrients it needs. These nutrients help you grow strong and stay healthy. Being healthy is not about strict rules. It's about making small changes every day. These changes add up to make a big difference. Nigerian cuisine is full of healthy and delicious ingredients. We can use these foods to improve our health. Let's explore how our traditional foods can be our secret weapon for a healthier life. Many Nigerian foods are naturally healthy. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help prevent diseases. Eating Nigerian foods is also a great way to connect with our culture. These foods have been enjoyed for generations. They are part of our heritage. Let's talk about some of our local food heroes. These are the foods that can make a real difference in our health. First up, we have leafy greens like ugu and spinach. They are packed with iron. Iron helps our blood carry oxygen throughout our bodies. Next, beans and lentils are amazing sources of protein. Protein keeps us feeling full and energized. Don't forget about our delicious fruits like oranges and mangoes. They are bursting with vitamins that boost our immune system. Let's make healthy eating a part of our daily lives. It's easier than you think. Start by swapping white rice with brown rice or swallow options like amala or iba. These options are more filling and have more fiber. Add more vegetables to your soups and stews. The more colorful your plate, the better. Try grilling or baking your fish and meats instead of frying. This reduces the amount of unhealthy fat. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Let's start eating our way to a healthier and happier us.